Hey guys, I just got this month's paper pumpkin. It's February's paper pumpkin. It is called Wildflower Wishes. I don't even know what this is, so I'm going to be surprised together. I did go ahead and open the flap, but I have not opened it, so let's go ahead and get started. If you are not familiar with paper pumpkin, it is a monthly subscription. You could sign up month to month, 3 months, 6 months, or a year. And the more you sign up for, you do have to pay it up front, but if you break it down by months, it's cheaper. So first, it says, let's celebrate 5 wonderful years of creativity and sharing. Subscribe by March 10th to receive Paper Pumpkin's awesome March kit and free gift packaged in our special 5th anniversary box. So I will include the link below if you're interested in subscribing. When you subscribe, if it is, I think the 3 month, you get anything over $50, you get a free gift from me. So let's go ahead and bust this open. This month's color is Garden Green. And if you've watched these videos before, I don't open these and I use my full ink pad. So when I do the projects, I will bring in Garden Green full ink pad. I keep these. And here is the stamp set. Let's see what it says. We have a thank you, celebrate, friend, and then big time, and your awesomeness. Okay, so thank you, big time, celebrate your awesomeness, and then you have, oh, so much, and hello, sweet. Hello, sweet friend. Thank you so much. Then you have some little flower images. So there is the stamp set. So here is the package, which looks nice. I like the envelopes a lot. So Paper Pumpkin, each month you get it. It comes in a nice sealed package like this. This one has supplies for 9 cards and 9 envelopes. With your first Paper Pumpkin, you do receive a stamp block. And then, every Paper Pumpkin, you receive everything you need in your kit. Adhesives, Stampin' Dimensionals, all that. And these darn glue dots, I have so many, because they give you a lot more than you need. Well, for me at least, a lot more than you need in your kit. So I have so many of these, and they're great, but you know, I want to use them up because I have them in a drawer flying everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and open this, and then I will show you everything that is in the kit, and then we will get started with the project. Okay, when I go through with this, this is the first time I'm going through with it, is with you. So bear with me if I get a little confused, because sometimes I'm like, what is this? So here are the projects up close. You have the envelopes, and then the 3 different types of cards. They look the same, but just a little bit of a difference, which you'll see when I put them together. On the when you open it, it has all the instructions in words and pictures. And then at the bottom you have a ruler. I know when if you put the cards together as they're intended, they'll give you a certain amount of twine or ribbon, whatever's included in the kit, to use. Really handy to have. I never use it. I'm like, whatever. I just eyeball it. But if you like to be precise, that's perfect. And then on the back, you get what your kit includes, as well as coordinating colors. So I'm going to go through what it includes really quick. The stamp set is the Wildflower Wishes Photopolymer Stamp Set. Then you get the Garden Green Stamp Spot, like I said. You get 9 card bases. So again, everything is here that you need. You don't need to bring in your card bases. The card bases are Sahara Sand, I'm assuming, on the back, the front. So your card base will go like this. So you get 9 of those. Then you get 9 printed envelopes, which I really like these envelopes. I like when there's a print on the inside. Really pretty. And they're all blank on the front. So you get 9 of these to go with your 9 cards. 9 printed cardstock pieces. which are these. I'm assuming these would be like your card bases. So you get striped, then you get like some diamonds, and you get little flowers. So you get those. You get 4 sheets of cardstock stickers. Let's see which one of these is the stickers. So here's a set of stickers. It says friend, and then you have some of the wildflower images. Here's a set of stickers that are just the, just the flowers. Really pretty. I actually like it better than the picture. Because when I opened it, I'm like, oh, this is nice. You know, not each month is going to blow your socks off. We all have different tastes. But I like the wildflower look, and I like the colors, and they're just really vibrant. So anyway, this says celebrate with the stickers down here, and then you have thank you with the stickers. So that's 4 of the sticker sheets, and they're cardstock stickers, so they're nice. You get 3 sheets of die cut elements. So these, the longer one for the celebrate, and then 2 shorter ones for thank you, and what was the other one, friend? Yeah, so they just punch out. You get different designs. Then you get 2 sheets of vellum die cuts. So this has some banners, and then you have like some floral leaves, something or other. Then you get this one, which is like a leaf, but I like how the middle is cut out. So you get those, and then you get 9 yards of linen thread. So 9 yards of this, very thin. It's nice. You get 30 white pearls. It always amazes me, like that's 30. It doesn't, I would never guess that's 30, but it is. Then you get 60 Stampin' Dimensionals, which I can never have enough of these. I'm always happy when I have leftover of these. And then 200 adhesive dots, or glue dots, basically. So I will go ahead and get everything ready, and I will put the 3 cards that they show here together. And I think I know how they did the outside of the envelope now, because I'm like, where is that part? But I know what they did here. So we'll do that as well. Okay. Okay, so here I'm taking my floral tags, and I am removing the adhesive sentiment piece and placing it over the floral tags. And then I take my reverse tweezers and I take out the little inside inserts of the E and the B and the A. Go ahead and place them on my tag. I actually saw a post and a couple days ago, and I don't remember where I saw it, but this lady had made a list of all the words that you could spell out with the leftover letters. So after you make your 8 cards, the letters you can take even further. And I've seen some alternate projects, so I may actually case one card I saw. It's beautiful. I've been so busy that I don't have time to really make a lot of cards, so I've been kind of casing lately, but some of the cards out there are just so pretty, I have to duplicate it, so why not make a video? As long as I'm giving credit. I never want to copy anybody's design without mentioning them, but it's a gorgeous card, and you have a ton of leftover stickers, floral stickers, and she did a really good job creating an alternative project that I may showcase if I don't forget. So I went ahead and did all those labels. I actually messed up on the friend one, so you won't see that one again. I had an ink smudge, went to go get rid of it, and I actually took off the color of the label. So here I've taken the line from the stamp set and I've stamped my envelopes. And then I'm going to add some of the stickers to the envelope just to decorate them a little. And then once I do that, I will go ahead and take my panels, right here, and then stamp out the floral images that came in the stamp set. And I've used my Stampin' Dimensionals to pop up each of these. And again, the friend one had an ink smudge. I went to erase it and it took off the Sahara Sand colors. So you'll see me make 2 of the Celebrate. I've made the other, what, 5 off, is this 8 cards? 5 off screen. And so I'll show those at the end, and you will see an example of a friend one. So here I'm just showing you how to do the twine. I only show it on the one card because sometimes twine is not my friend, especially when I have to tie bows. So I just add a little tape adhesive to the back to kind of adhere it, and then just tie it to the right, a bow to the right. You could do to the left. You don't have to do a bow at all. You could just wrap it around and then do a bow separately and then adhere it. That may be easier. Just kind of look like it's all one piece, but the bow is actually a separate piece, and just adhere it with one of the glue dots. I prefer to do ribbon that way. So go ahead and adhere my thank you. It is crooked. I do fix it. Oh my gosh. And then I go ahead and adhere that to my coordinating card base. And then I do all this kind of each step at once. So assembly line, there we go. So I adhere my Celebrate. The Celebrate's quite wide, so the bow kind of gets hidden, but no biggie. Go ahead and adhere that down. And then I bring in another Celebrate piece and adhere that down. And attach that to my card base as well. After I do that, I do take the vellum pieces you see on the top right hand corner. I've already punched them out, and I use the glue dots that came in the paper pumpkin kit to tuck behind the sentiment. And again, I just really show you with this one card what I'm doing. I do the other 2 pretty much the same. I like those vellum pieces. It's a nice subtle touch to the card, which is nice. And you get a ton of them, so you can, you know, bring them to other projects. And then I go ahead and take these pearls and add 3 pearls. Randomly placed. And then here is my thank you. I really like the thank you. And so here are the vellum panels. I had stamped so much, and I was kind of like, okay, where do I place this? My biggest problem with this, and why I didn't include it, is that you would see the adhesive. So I'm like, I'm going to skip that. But I know in the project sheet, it does have it, you know, you do stamp a sentiment and add it to your card. But here are all the finished cards and the finished envelopes. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you have any questions. If you're interested in joining Paper Pumpkin, the link will be below. Also, remember that deal I mentioned at the beginning of the video. If you join by March 10th, you get a free prize in your kit. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!